Hey, Step by Step family, I just want to report something to you. Now, I'm not one of those guys who just believes everything that they hear. And I know this to be a fact for myself. I don't really eat a lot of meat, I eat fish. So, just within the last couple of weeks, the fish that I eat has gone up tremendously. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is that I eat. I'm at a grocery store area. I'm at actually a major chain here where I live, and I'm very surprised because I'm going to show you this. I always buy a family pack of fish, and I'll eat on this through the week. So usually one pack will last me for about a whole week. So I don't eat, like I said, very much meat. The last time I bought a pack of fish, which was last week, I believe that the fish was a total of $7. I mean, it was on sale, of course, when you go to the certain stores, they give you just a little bit of a discount. But this week, I just paid almost $12. No, actually, I paid $12 for a bag of fish that I normally pay $7 for. And it was a consistent. I was always paying this amount for it. So it's just really showing me that the price of things are starting to go up. It's never been that price. So why am I talking about this is because I believe that we all really do need to get prepared for the price hike of food and commodities that are going to be going up. It's pretty much written on the wall for me now. I totally get it and totally understand. So get the things that you need to prepare. Get your things in order. Start getting your rice, your beans, all those things together, something that you can pay a decent amount of money for that will stretch and go a long way to feed your family. If you all are like Yvonne and I, we have a big family, so we have to think about how we're going to store up for our family. And so when I see a bag of fish that I get that's normally $7 and now it's $12, that just gave me a big clue. So hey, pay attention to what's going on in your area. Let us know in the comments what you're finding in your area. Tell us what's going on if you've noticed price rises or anything like that, so that we can be aware of the things that are going up. Because if it's affecting me and hasn't affected you yet, guess what? It's going to start affecting you at some point. For some of you all, it's already affecting and it hasn't affected me. Well, I'm now starting to get a little taste of it with the fuel and everything going up now. So let's start getting prepared step by step, family. All right, you all take care. Bye-bye.